everyone, today is my transformation day. If you guys watch my Marcel hair care, you guys would know that I am gonna cut my hair today. Oh my god, I've like grown my hair to this length and it was previously at this area. And then I went for a haircut maybe like 2 weeks back, but now I think that I want a fresh look, so I'm thinking of just like cutting it to my shoulder length or even shorter. So we shall see. I have like short hair for the past like 3-4 years. If you guys follow me or like you're an old subscriber, you will know that like I always have like hair this short, and I've been enjoying my long hair, to be honest, but it's getting really hot and I just wanted a new look. So well, we shall go for my hair appointment now, and yeah, we shall see if I like it. If I don't like it, I'll be super duper sad. I just hope that you guys are here with me and let's pray together. Okay, let's go. Nervous. Morning everyone, it's Sunday and right now I'm just gonna go get my hair cut. My hair is like, you know, quite thick here and I kind of want to cut it to my old length, about here, 2018 Cal. So let's go.